Hey guys, this is Justin with Manning Detail, and today we're detailing this F-350. As you can see, it's pretty dirty. It has a lot of bugs. Those wheels have a lot of brake dust in them, and the inside is dirty as well. This owner, I think, is a construction worker. So the entire truck was just overall had a lot of dirt in it and on it. We cleaned this truck on a really hot day. It was in the 90s. So with every detail, we start with the wheel wells and the tires. As you can see, Jaron is pre-washing first, spraying all the excess loose dirt off the wheel well and the tire. We use a degreaser to get out the grease and the dirt and the grime out. Then we go to the wheel itself using the same degreaser and our tire brush. And then we do the rim with the same degreaser. First we use the pipe cleaner. We go through the entire rim to get all of that grease and dirt and brake fluid, or brake dust, sorry. And using a detail brush, we go through all of the small cracks, small details with the bolts and the crevices. Because it's so hot down where we live, we want to prevent water spots, especially on a black rim like this, so we use a blow dryer to dry it off. After the tires are done, we start with a pre-wash and a wash. Typically we do pre-wash and then a foam with our bucket method system, but because this day was really hot, the foam dries quickly and it's kind of a pain to work with. We start with the top of the truck. Also, because it was hot, we did this in sections as Jaron scrubs using a 2-bucket method system and then rinsing and drying. It's important to go from top to bottom as the dirt runs down. Like I said, this truck had a lot of bugs on it, and that rim is big, that window is big, so Jaron's working on getting all those bugs off. Every car has small crevices that water gets into, like the grill, the mirrors, the doors. So we love our little blow dryer, and Jaron uses it on the grill, on the mirrors, and the doors, prevent any watermarks and runoff, so it's completely dry. Then we go to the back of the truck. Here we just power washed it out. This guy obviously uses the bed of the truck often, so that's pretty much what we did to clean it. He did have us do a clay bar treatment. Clay bar treatment helps get all the excess contaminations out of the clear coat, and this is a longer process. We didn't film the entire thing, but Jaron went through the entire outside of the truck to get that clay bar treatment done. This is Jaron finishing off getting those bugs out, just using I believe it's the erase, either that or the invisible all-purpose cleaner. We like to take the mats out. These mats were a rubber material. So first we just power wash and spray with a basic all-purpose cleaner and scrub with the brush. and rinse it off. Really, to finish off cleaning these type of rubber mat protectors, we like to use it in all natural shine by the chemical guys. That just really brings back all the natural shine, obviously gives it a nice finish and condition, and it has UV protectant. After the mats, we vacuum the entire interior of the truck. You want to make sure to get everywhere you can. I always check to see if the seats move up, if there's compartments underneath, because the last thing you'd want is someone lifting up a seat and there's dirt. We did a carpet extraction on this carpet, and so to prep for that, we have a lint roller, and this gets any excess lint and hair out of the carpet. There wasn't too much, but it was a nice touch. And then just finished off with a vacuum. As I was doing that, Jaron was finishing the outside with Tyre Shine using the all natural shine. The tire treatment took each tire about 20 minutes. So that's about 80 minutes on all 4 tires. These tires were large, so it took a little extra time. And we used the shine, that all natural shine, also on the wheel wells, because the wheel wells had a plastic protector, and this really makes it nice up in there. Door jamb cleaning is essential for detailing. The bed of this truck had a cover. I decided to use the all natural shine on it as well to really bring out the black, the shine, and it made it look really nice. Had a good finish. This truck was all leather interior. The Meguiar's leather cleaner and conditioner, it smells so good. That's why we like it so much. But it gives it a nice finish and condition. We finish with the carpet extracting because it's the bottom. We don't want to step inside after a carpet extraction. This carpet was not really dirty much at all. He has a nice mat over it. So here's some of the finished shots. Thanks for watching, guys. Please let us know how we can improve our videos. We want to continue to show how we detail the methods that we use, and we'd like your feedback on how we can improve. If you like this video, please give it a like and give us a follow to view more detailing videos.